Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this salicylic acid plus vitamin B5 cleansing foam. So this is from the Dr. Health and Care. I mean, it's a skincare line. They have so many products, serums, creams, body wash, facial care, and all that. So, I mean, I bought this because of the salicylic acid. You know, sometimes I like to use salicylic acid in my routine. And I got this cleanser because it contains salicylic acid. I've used a facial cleanser with salicylic acid before. It's not something to use every day. Maybe twice a week is enough for your face. Now, honestly, this came in packaged very well. Now, this is watery. It's like water, yeah? And you press this dispenser here and it releases a foam. Now, isn't that a great product? Isn't that? Honestly, I would say so-so, 50-50. One, the lather is not so rich. Like, you know, when it's so diluted. So basically the product in here is like a 90 or 95% water. Like, it's so diluted and you need a lot to actually cleanse your face. Is it a good cleanser? Yes, it is a great cleanser. It cleans your face very well. Do I think they have salicylic acid in it? Even if it has it, it's so small, because I mean, they did not indicate the percentage. They just claimed there's salicylic acid in there, but I didn't feel it. I have used salicylic acid facial, micellar waters. I've used, facial cleansers with salicylic acid, and you feel a little bit of a tingling effect, but it did nothing. I didn't feel anything. So that is why I moved to think the salicylic acid is, at the barest minimum, is very small. So honestly, it didn't really deliver. It didn't walk the talk of the, because I wanted that very light exfoliation with, an acid, a gentle acid, but then I didn't get it because it's non-existent in this product. So if you're looking for some exfoliation, gentle exfoliation with salicylic acid, don't get this because it doesn't walk the talk. It's a good cleanser if you want something normal to just cleanse, wash your face. It is great, but it's so much on the watery side. The lather is like the mousse it produces is not rich. It feels too kind of light. So I don't think I will get this again. I will use it till I run out, but then I'm not gonna get this again. So I mean, this was a short one. If you're looking for a regular cleanser facial wash, you can get this. But if you're looking for that gentle exfoliation with salicylic acid, is a no. Okay guys, I hope I did help you, and if you have used this product, let me find out how you liked it. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.